Paneer Oats Manchurian. This lip-smacking dish is so healthy, refined-free and a no-fry recipe and tastes so better than the normal one. You have to try this amazing recipe. So let's begin. Cut the paneer in long slices and add oats flour, red chilli powder, garam masala, soya sauce, salt, ginger garlic paste, water and combine. Air fry the paneer slices till crisp and golden brown. Now in a pan take oil, garlic, ginger and saute well. Add spring onions and capsicum and saute again. Now add Szechuan sauce, tomato ketchup, soya sauce, black pepper, salt and combine. Add water and let it come to boil. Prepare an oats slurry with oats flour and water and add to the gravy. Cook the gravy and when it starts to thicken, add the crispy paneer and cook for 2 minutes. Healthy Paneer Oats Manchurian is ready. Serve it with rice or millets of your choice. Do try this recipe and follow me for more.